what you need to do is we are going to input some data here. So let's input the world countries. So we go to Google, get a list of them. So we have them here. Then we copy from including the headers. So copy, then come here, paste them, it's a file. So we now have the data of all the countries here. So we have the numbers. Maybe we can bring it there and bring it there. Then we have everything that we need. Now we need to generate a QR code for these lists. So what you need to do is click on edit, a lot of data there. Again, I'm on my Windows 11, so not sure why I want to bring some headache. So yeah, we have what we wanted. So I'll go on and right click. So create a QR code for this page. And there you go. So if you try to, you can download or you can even copy that link, paste it where you want.